The best way to make your first $100,000 online in 2023.
I found this product here. It's a hand blender, and I thought it was super interesting, and it also solves a problem. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna reverse engineer Google to make sure this is a good product to sell on my own Shopify store. First thing you wanna do is you wanna get the Google Chrome extension keywords everywhere. Go ahead and put in the keyword of the product. You want a minimum search volume of 25,000. Here we have 27,000 searches per month for this particular product. After that, you want to go to the Google Trends to make sure that the product sells consistently throughout the year. You want to make sure that it never hits the bottom line and it's not seasonal, where it goes up and down and up and down. This is pretty consistent. From there, you want to go to Shopify so you can start building your own online store. Get a Google Merchant Center account, get a Google Ads account. Get this app for your Shopify store so you can start advertising your product on Google Shopping Ads. Then start advertising your product on Google Shopping Ads, which is displayed here. And then start making a bunch of revenue and profit selling products online. So stop wasting time and go make that money online, baby.